I attended a conference in Phoenix, Arizona, and I saw this lady handing out business cards and just saying, "We need interns for the summer." Immediately there, I just filled out the information while waiting in line. I have never really done anything like this before. It's just allowed me to see almost every aspect of engineering.
I think this internship helped me to apply the skills that I have learned in my classes, because sometimes it's hard to imagine how it would be applied in the real world.
I think it really gives you the opportunity to narrow down what you're interested in. There's different things I've seen even this summer in my internship that maybe I'm not as interested or as passionate about, but then other things I've worked on that I've been like, I had never thought I would like this, and here I am, and I really like being hands-on with this.
It gave me a broader aspect of like, oh, I can also go like to different parts of manufacturing. I would say doesn't matter what you started at your college, it's okay to pivot.
I feel a lot more comfortable exploring and knowing that it's not permanent if it's not something I love.
I would say one of the most important skills I've learned here, and I think I could take anywhere, is communicating within a team. I took a lot of notes, and I think that's something I will use in the future for sure.
If you're an IACMI member and you're not taking advantage of the internship program, I think you're losing on a lot of opportunity. Besides giving back to our community and then helping the next generation of workforce, we also want them to add value to our business. I think IACMI does a very good job at getting through candidates and getting them ready for the workforce. We wanted to have a fresh talent that comes on board and really questions us and question our processes.
Obviously, we make connections that are important now in the industry, but we really are the next generation of the industry. I mean, we're all going to end up in different places, so it's really just building that network of the future of the composites world and the manufacturing, and building that early for our generation.